right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. We do have a website, ballroomfeed.com. Please go check that out if you haven't. It would mean the world. That's linked in the bio for you. Also, if you haven't learned these steps, we would recommend you learn them step by step before attempting any sort of combination, because we didn't teach the steps here. We just went through the combo. So if that wasn't clear, make sure you do that, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.